Hi, I'm Justin Bondi with Neat,
And I'm Vanessa Jensen with Shure.
And I'm Andre Vessa with Shure.
and we are here today in Shure's global headquarters right outside of Chicago. And we're here to talk about the new partnership between Neat and Shure that we're both really excited about to bring better experiences into conferencing spaces like this for our joint customers. So, what we want to talk about with you today, obviously, we're at Shure headquarters, so we want to talk about audio and how our two companies can work together to make the audio way better in a space like this. Now, the Neat Bar Pro is designed for spaces up to about 20 feet by 30 feet, so even larger than this. But as an all-in-one device, as Neat makes, the camera, the microphones, and the speakers are all built into that Neat Bar Pro there at the front of the room. The issue is when you've got really acoustically challenging environments to deal with. And the further people get away from the microphones in the Neat Bar Pro, the harder it is to deal with that reflection, that reverberation, and make the people's voices sound clear so they can be heard on the far side, and that collaboration can happen as comfortably as possible. And so that's why we're partnering with Shure, because Shure obviously makes industry-leading audio products that can very much help with this and work with the Neat Bar Pro to make this situation a lot better. So what you're hearing right now is you are hearing the audio from the Neat Bar Pro microphones. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch on my Neat Pad here to the Shure microphones and speakers in the space, and then allow Vanessa to kind of describe to you what the Shure components are and how we're integrating together. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over and I'm going to change over to the microphones and speakers from Shure. And there we go. So Vanessa, tell us a little bit about what we're using here.
Absolutely, I'd be happy to. So in this space, we have a simple USB-C connection into the Neat Bar Pro from our P300 device. For our microphone and speaker, we're also using a Shure device, the MXA 902, which is a microphone array with a built-in speaker as well. So all of our audio is being captured through the MXA 902 currently, and we're hearing the far end through that device as well due to its built-in speaker.
Great, thanks. Now I'm going to switch back. So again, just to reinforce, so you can hear the difference. All right, now we're back to the mics in the Neat Bar Pro. So Vanessa, tell me a little bit about some of the other products that we can integrate with the Neat device.
Yeah, absolutely. So we have other products in our portfolio, in our Microflex ecosystem portfolio, like the MXA 920, which can be used in much larger spaces. We also have a new integration that we're really excited to tell you about. We have a demo coming up soon, right? Next, which is the MXW Next 2 wireless microphone solution. So we'll be doing that next with another demo. So that's really exciting as well.
Great. Now I'm going to flip back again just to reinforce what you're hearing. You can hear it a couple times. All right. And now we're back to the Shure microphones and speakers. Now, one of the other things I want to bring up too is the fact that Neat does a lot visually in order to make a space like this more collaborative and a better user experience for the people in the room and the people at the far end. Now, in our camera technology, we have a individual auto framing functionality, which finds people and frames them much more clearly and closely so that the people on the far end feel like they're more connected, like they're sitting at the table, right? In the big space like this, it's got acoustic challenges, but also visually, you just don't want to, you don't want to look at the big white walls and the windows and the tabletop. You don't need to see that. You just need to see us. So what we can do is we can turn on our symmetry auto framing just like this. And what you're going to see is now we're individually framed. We're much closer to you. And the combination of this visual experience with what Shure can do with their microphones and speakers is just going to make this a better experience, again, for us and a better experience for the people on the far end of the call so they can really feel productive and collaborative no matter where they are. So thank you very much for your time. I hope that made sense and you're as excited about this as we are. So Vanessa, Andre, thank you very much for inviting me here today and looking forward to demoing the next solution as well.
Absolutely. Thanks so much.
Okay. You.